operate it empty, we are using glass of water for demonstration purpose. When you press the start button first, it is going to show you start with the 30 seconds timer, and every increment it is going to increase 30 seconds. When you press the stop button, it is going to stop. You can open and door, and you can check whether it is hitting or not. When you start again, it will start, but if you press the stop button, it will stop, and then pressing this twice, it is going to reset the clock. Pressing stop again, it is going to turn off the display as well. So when you can see the child lock on the right side of the knob, when you keep it pressed for 5 seconds, it is going to enable the child lock, which is going to lock all the functions and the door, etc. When you press it 3 seconds again, it is going to unlock the same. On the left side of the knob, there is a function of controlling the rotating this glass, so rotating table. When you press it, so you can control whether you want to rotate it or not rotate it. So start and stop function will work. The next is microwave function for heating and boiling purpose. When you select microwave, first you are going to set the wattage, then press and the knob and set the timer, and when you press the start button, it is going to start a timer. Next function is hot blast, which is used for baking purpose, and when you select it, it is going to select the Celsius first, and then on after pressing the knob, it is going to start the timer, etc. And you can use this function. Next is grill function. Grill function is used for grilling, so press the grill button and it is going to select the Celsius, everything, and timer, etc. Next is combi function. There are multiple combi 1 and combi 2. Combi 1 is for micro plus grill. Combi second option is micro plus hot blast. When you select first one, knob will select watt and timing. So all you need to do is just select this and just press the start button. When you select second combi, then it is going to first select the wattage, and then it is going to select the Celsius, and then third knob it is going to select the timer, etc. Next are options. So you can see auto cook menu functions. All you need to do is function given in the menu is for the menu given by pressing 1 2 3. You can just see on these menus on the after opening the door. So just select that function and just press the that button only, start button only. You do not need to select anything else from your own side. All you need to set is that the combi function, sorry, that auto cook function, and the weight of the food by turning on the turning the knob right on the right side, and just it will select the automatically timer, wattage, Celsius, everything it will select, and it will cook your food automatically. So in other models, like here auto hot blast is given, the convection model. The convection model is not present in the grill model. Only grill is coming here. This is hot blast plus grill plus micro model. So there are solo model with only microwave. So these are all the functionalities.